Hey everybody! Without further ado, let's get started. Why did we choose Triglav? It's simple. First, easy to get to. Second, great infrastructure. Third, the climb doesn't require special preparation. On the first day we drove to the place called Rudno polje. We parked the car and headed towards Vodnikov Dom na Beljem polju. We started around noon. Along the way, we missed a turn but decided to keep going, hoping the path wouldn't be too difficult. We ended up climbing a peak called Viševnik, which is a bit over 2000 meters high. We decided to have lunch there. Frankly speaking, the road was really easy and very beautiful. After Viševnik, we descended into a small valley and found a well-maintained stream. Then we had a long climb to Vodnikov Dom, which is reached a little after 6 p.m. altitude here is 1817 meters. We had booked 2 nights with breakfast and dinner in advance. The next morning we planned to hike to Dom Planika pod Triglavom at 2401 meter. A few words about Dom Planika. The hut recently opened. There are places to sleep, a cafe, and the clean toilets. After a short rest, we continue on our way. Here we split into 2 groups. One went to the summit and the other stayed behind. The road to Dom Planika was a bit more challenging but still technically easy. Triglav's height is 2,864 meters. The most difficult part of the road starts from Dom Planika and is sometimes dangerous. Personally, I didn't use harness or rope, though it's recommended. I managed with just helmet and climbing shoes. The road is well marked and it is easy to follow. There weren't many people, but sometimes we had to wait on narrow spots. After a successful climb on the way back, I forgot to check the map again and missed the turn, which led me to Triglavski Dom na Kredarici. After descending to it, I found the road back to home Planika pod Triglavom. It took some effort, but I got there quickly. After that, we descended to Vodnikov Dom to spend the night and set off for the car in Rudno polje in the morning.